Are you confused about how SAP MM understands your company? In next few minutes, I will explain entire SAP MM organization structure in simple and easy way with real-time examples. Organization structure is also called enterprise structure. Every individual module consultant will create the organization data. Every organization will have a structure according to which entire business will run. Organization levels. At the top level, we have the client. Client means the entire SAP systems, like a big container. It holds all the company codes, plans, users, and data. Next is company code. This is the legal entity. Each and every business of the company will be created as a company code in SAP. All financial transaction maintained saved under the company code. For example, if your company has branches in India and US, each one may have separated company code. Below company code, we have the plant. Plant is a location where materials are manufactured, stored, or issued. This can be a factory, manufacturing unit, or a warehouse. For example, plant 1000 could be your Hyderabad manufacturing unit. Next is storage location. Storage location is a place inside the plant where we store the physical products of the plant. One plant can have a multiple storage locations to store the different products. Storage location is always part of plant. Inside the plant we have storage locations. Next we have purchasing organization. This team negotiates with vendor, finalize pricing and issues the purchase order. A purchasing organization can be centralized or plant specific. Below the purchasing organization is purchasing group. This is the individual buyer or team of people responsible for day-to-day purchasing activities. When you create purchase order, SAP checks company code, purchasing organization, purchasing group, plant and storage location. This linkage makes procurement and inventory flow smoothly. Here, important things to remember. One plant always belongs to one company code, but one purchasing organization can serve multiple plants. This is the complete organization structure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to SAP MM Hub.